Liberation Hero status, Comrade Samuel Walker Matimba. His Excellency, the President and First Secretary of ZANU-PF, Comrade Dr. Cde Mnangagwa, has conferred a Liberation Hero status to the late Comrade Samuel Walker Matimba, who died on the 7th of January 2024 and will be buried at the Provincial Heroes Acre, Mutare. The family can be contacted through the Manicaland Provincial Office. Saka ndauya kuzokuzivisai kuti sekuru Matimba vatinawo muno ihiro radeclarewa naPresident kuti ihiro redu rinokwanisa kana vehama zvirizvo zvavanenge vawirirana kuvigwa paProvincial Heroes Acre.
From Sorry, Minister of State. Chokwadi, I'm reminded of David. David, as he moved to the next glory, something fundamental happened. We showed mabasake whilst he lived. And ndikuzwa kubatikana kuti baba wedu taizviziva kuti wanda Jesu, even towards the end of his days, waitaura kuti wakati hanzi ndichida kudya zvonzi handida kudya ngei zvonzi ndikudya Jesu. So we always knew he loved the Lord, but we also knew that he loved his country and very much a political person, and we know the work that he did. To hear him recognized tonight as a hero, as a provincial hero, is a very moving thing for us as a family. Saka ndinoda kuti tingope kutenda on behalf of the family for honoring us in this way. Mazvita.